So welcome to week 10, and we're on video number 5. I'm starting at slide 30. Excuse me. So based on doing the evaluation process and the IT help desk walking through, we figured out that Sheena and team want to create a survey to survey customers about the IT help desk. So now we're going to learn a little bit about best practices in survey design. And we're going to use the tool SurveyMonkey to create a survey that Sheena could use. And then we're going to actually get our classmates to answer our survey questions and analyze the data that we find. Okay, so read this link for some really brief tips and tricks from SurveyMonkey, people that make the survey tool that's readily available that lots of people use. So they've got some great tips and tricks. And I also strongly encourage you to read the chapter excerpt that's posted in DC Connect called The Basics of Data Literacy. And what this little excerpt addresses is asking good questions on a survey. So take a look at that, especially if you end up doing the final homework activities, which is to create a survey. All right, so read that and then do the little check for understanding. So yeah, Sue, I know what I'm doing. I can make a good survey. And then what we'll do is we'll go to a breakout room with a partner and you'll apply those best practices to create a survey. And then you'll post a link to the survey and we'll get some feedback from the other students on what you might want to rethink and what you did really well. Okay? Then we'll evaluate what we find and think about how we can use the information. So we'll kind of do the whole evaluation process together for this part of class by actually applying it here. All right, and then like I said, there's the final homework activity, marketing and evaluation. And what you're going to do for that one is write me a one-page report that includes a heading and your answer or response to the questions or tasks in the evaluation process. Okay, and you're going to create a survey and invite your classmates only to complete the survey so you can include an analysis of their feedback in the report. So this is what the report template looks like for option 2. So you know what I like is headings, report to, from, re, and then these are the steps. Okay, and I'm giving you some suggestions of what you should include in here. And you know I'm just looking for something brief. Remember, this was option 1. If you still need to do it and you wanted to choose the other option, that was finding some resources and writing me a report about business intelligence. And I provided a little template for that as well. All right, team, that's our conclusion, and our in summary is where we're going next is your presentations for next week. So I look forward to seeing everybody virtually or in person on Monday to start the presentation process. Have a great week.